How to clean your plate heat exchanger and keep it in top shape. Plate heat exchangers have grown in popularity over the past decades. Because of its high heat exchange efficiency, it takes up less space. These factors lead breweries to replace plate heat exchangers as shell and tube heat exchangers. CIP method of cleaning plate heat exchanger. The CIP cleaning method is a combination of time, temperature, and concentration. A chemical solution is circulated through the heat exchanger to dissolve and remove fouling from the plate surface. No need to separate heat exchanger, simplify cleaning process and reduce cleaning labor. Ideal for chemical cleaning. Top 10 tips for keeping your plate heat exchanger in top condition. Ensure operating conditions, temperature and flow, meet design specifications. Bleed the heat exchanger at startup and open and close the valve slowly to avoid pressure fluctuations and water hammer. Use upstream filters to remove particulate fouling and protect heat exchangers. Check daily for all changes in temperature, pressure, and signs of external leaks. Regularly keep fastening bolts clean and well lubricated. Use condition detection technology to avoid opening the plate heat exchanger for inspection. Use clean in place (CIP) to avoid opening the heat exchanger for cleaning. Keep spare equipment clean and dry. Flush with fresh water and drain completely when the heat exchanger is not in use. Protect the heat exchanger from splashing water and keep the power supply from being exposed to the outside. Use original spare parts for plate heat exchangers to ensure equipment performance, reliability, and longevity. Keep important spare parts in stock and follow storage instructions.